Good morning, class. Let's begin with the chapter another story of women can change the world. Rokia Shekhawat Hussain and her dreams about Lady Land. So let's see what was in this story because we are discussing here the stories of 19th century's women. Because today we have lots of example, but there the women who pour lots of efforts to improve their life, we are discussing them. So Rokia Shekhawat Hussain 1932 was born in the rich family and who owned lots of land. So she knew how to read and write Urdu and she was stopped from the learning Bangla and English. मतलब उसको उर्दू पढ़ने का बहुत शौक था, उसको ये सिखाया गया कि आप उर्दू सीखनी है और वो जो थी उसने अपना इंग्लिश और बांग्ला पढ़ना बंद कर दिया. इन दोज डेज इंग्लिश वॉज सीन एज अ लैंग्वेज दैट वुड एक्सपोज गर्ल्स टू न्यू आइडियाज एंड विच पीपल thought were not concerned from them, and therefore it was mostly boys who were taught English. Rokias learned to read and write Bangla and English with the support of the elder brother and the elder brother sister, and she went to become the writer. मतलब उसको ये था कि उसको इंग्लिश और बांग्ला पढ़नी है, लेकिन उसको घर वाले फोर्स करते थे बिकॉज शी वॉज मुस्लिम कि उसको उर्दू पढ़ना है और ये मानते थे कि इंग्लिश पढ़ेगी नए आइडियाज़ आएंगे तो ये आइडियाज़ क्या करेंगे, उसको स्पॉइल कर देंगे, बर्बाद कर देंगे. बट शी कंटिन्यू विद दैट टू बिकम द राइटर. She wrote a remarkable story titled Sultana's Dream in 1905 to practice in her English skills. She was merely 25-year old, and the story imagined a woman called Sultana who reached a place called Ladyland. Ladyland is a place where women had the freedom to study. मतलब एक अपना इमेजिनेशन, एक फिक्शन है कि ऐसी जगह से वो बिलोंग करती है जहाँ पर लेडीज़ को पढ़ने की फुर्सत है, आज़ादी है. So the creative and create the invention like controlling rain from the clouds and flying the air car. And in this ladyland the men had been sent to sculption their aggressive guns and other weapon of war defeated by the brain power of women. So, as Sultana's travel in Ladyland and sister Sarah, she awakes to realize that she is the only dreaming. As you can see that Roke Shekhawat was dreaming of the women flying planes and cars even before girls were being allowed to go to school. सो मतलब उसका इमेजिन था कि विमेन सब कुछ करें लेकिन पहले स्कूल तो मिले उन्हें जाने के लिए. दिस वॉज द वे विच एजुकेशन एंड लर्निंग land changed Rokia's own life. Rokia did not stop to getting education. Just as herself, her education gave her the power not only to dream and write but also to do more to help other girls to go to school and build their own dreams. In 1910, she started the school for girls in Kolkata, and to this day school is still functioning. आज तक ये स्कूल काम कर रही हैं. मतलब उनका ड्रीम था सुल्ताना's ड्रीम, तो वो कहीं तक वो ड्रीम क्या हुआ है, it has been fulfilled. So now we proceed to the next paragraph, that is schooling and education. Schooling and education in the reference of today. Today both boys and girls attend the school in a large number. Yes, as we see there still remain differences between the education of boys and girls. India has a census of 10 years and which counts the whole population of the country. It also gathers the detailed information about the people living in India, the age, the schooling, what work they do, and so on. We use this information to measure many things like the number of literate people and the ratio men and women. According to 1960s census, about 40% of all boys and men and 7-year-old above were literate, and this is that is they could at least write their names, compared to just 15% of the girls and women. So most of recent census 2011 figures about 82% boys, among them 65%. This is the current you can say census of the female and male in India. This means the proportion of both men and women are now able to read, have to at least some amount of schooling has increased. But as you can see that percentage of male group is still higher then the male group. The gap has not gone away. मतलब अभी भी क्या है, the mentality of the people is like they in some reason they seldom send to the girl to the school. So here is the table that shows the percentage of girls and boys leave schools from different schools group including scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So this is the table you can see like primary classes the total that is all if we say that 4.13% and total the STs में 4.46% and STs में 6 point. So this we can understand by this. So you have probably noticed that above table SCs, STs girls have at rate and this is the higher than category. All girls, this means the girls who are from Dalit, SCs, Adivasis, STs background less likely remain to it. In 2011 the census also found Muslims are less likely. मतलब Muslims girls में ये कम मिला है. Then STs and SCs is complete primary school, while Muslim girls is likely to stay in school for around 3 years. Girls from the communities spend around 4 years in school. मतलब इतना ही टाइम गुजारती हैं उसके बाद उनको नहीं पढ़ाया जाता. There are several reasons why the children from Dalit, Adivasi, Muslim communities leave school, because many parts of the country, especially in the rural areas, there may even be the proper schools, not teachers who teach on a regular basis. Means somewhere we see that the problem of schools are, somewhere we see the teachers are not available. So this is one of the main reason behind it. सो इट इज़ नॉट क्लोज टू द पीपल होम. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि घर जो है स्कूल पास में नहीं है, दैट्स वाई पीपल डोंट सेंड देयर गर्ल टू school. So there is no transport like buses, van. Parent may not be able to send their girl to school distance. ठीक है. Many families are too poor that unable to bear the cost of education. So many reasons can be affording the education for girls. So boys may get preference in this situation. Many children also leave school because they discriminated against their teacher and classmates. Just Om Prakash Valmiki, remember the last year stories we read. तो कई बार ऐसा भी है कि उनको इस वजह से भी नहीं भेजा जाता. तो हम यहाँ पर हमने बेसिकली क्या डिस्कस करा, द कोजेस बिहाइंड वाई द गर्ल लीव स्कूल, वाई यू कैन से गर्ल एजुकेशन इज लेसर देन बॉयज़. तो ये हमने डिस्कस किया, इसके पीछे के कॉजेज डिस्कस किए. ठीक है. अब हमारा है विमेन वुमेंट. वी विल स्टार्ट इन थर्ड वीडियो. ओके, टिल देन वी लीव दिस segment here.